Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm just trying to do this backup recording just in case. The plan for today is about survey, and survey is something a very useful tool that when you are operating a small business or when you are planning to run a small business or start a small business, how you can get the connection with your clients or your future clients, how you can get their feedback, how you can research the market, and you will get the real life data when you are using the survey. So it's really a very important skill for any small or micro business. So the platform that we'll be using today is SurveyMonkey. I have found this SurveyMonkey is really very easy to use, and they do have lots of pre templates that you can use, so you don't have to think about what type of template, or like the questions are already there to use, so that will give you some ideas. And then also they have a option that you can create your own questionnaire, and you can create surveys. So, and this is sign up is for free, and they do have like a paid and free version. So if you'd like, today I would like to show you the free one, but if you'd like to go for the paid one later on, definitely you can do that one. So when you open your Chrome browser, and that's the page that you have to open, surveymonkey.com, and on the top right you can see the sign up for free, and when you sign up, then you can log in. So just please sign up for free, click on that button and sign up, and then log in, and then we'll start. So after you log into your account and activate your or verify your email address, it will take you to this dashboard page, and on the very top there is a create survey button. So I'll just click on here, and also you might notice on the very top next to the dashboard tab, my surveys and plans and pricing. So when you create a survey, it will stay under your my survey tab, and also in future if you'd like to go for a paid one, you can check that one. And when you create a new survey, these are the options that you will be getting. So one is showing start from scratch, so that way you can start your own survey questionnaire, the template, everything you have to do from the scratch. Also, if you do have a past survey and then you'd like to copy from that one, you can. So that is, you can see definitely that's a paid one. Import questions, so they have a question bank from where you can import questions, and the one I really like, this one, is start from the template, where things are already there and you just have to choose one. So I'll just click on that one, start from a template one. So these are all the different type of templates that they have, and these are the two type of view. One is the grid view, like this one. Also you can change this view to the list one, so it will show you like that. So just change that one to grid so I can have a look. So under this template they do have lots of template, you can see here from the top to bottom, and the one has got the padlock. That means it's telling us that's a paid one. So you just have to look for the one that hasn't got the padlock, so we can give it a go. So this one is free, which is for general business, is assessing business response. Also just looking for some marketing one, or might be that says satisfaction. We'll just quickly have a look which one they have. Customer feedback, I'll see if they do have any here. Okay, so this one hasn't got any padlock. That's for the corporate clients. I found one that under the general one, we can go for that one. So under the general business, they have one template that is saying assessing business response. So just click on that one too. And it will show you the number of questions and how many times the people use, and it's like a very short survey you can see. And they do have also all this questionnaire. Now this is a template and the questions are already here, and if I want to use this one, I will click on this use this template button on the right. I'll click on that one. Now it will generate this template for me. So if you'd like to go for the page, then you can add the logo. I'm not doing that one. Page title. So you can add your, I'll just try here. I'm just giving it a name here, and this is a test survey. And I'll scroll down to check, and as you go, click on save. So all this one, if you'd like to do any editing, there is the edit button. So, and you can change the question here. And also, if you'd like to change the type of question, so this is a multiple choice question, and these are the answers are already there. So each box are editable. So if you'd like to customize the questions, you can do that one. And once you have done one question, and then you can save after you have done the update. So all these questions are easy to update, and you can go to the next questions. So these are the general one. Sometimes you might not have enough questions in your mind. So what you can do get some ideas. I found this website is really useful, and how you can get some free questions from here. And I have added this link to the notes page at the sample question page. So they do have lots of different criterias here, and they have questions about that. So for example, you would like to create a survey about your to understand your customers, and they do have some sample questions for that one, and it will be really very useful to try. And then you can add your own questions. It will give you some ideas about different type of questions that you can ask when you are creating your survey. So just go for here. Once you finish creating your questions, it will show you like that. And also it will show you 3 preview mode that you can, that is for this desktop, this one is for tablet, and this one is for the mobile phone, and how it will look like. And so after you finish the preview, then go to the next. And this, in this section, it will show you that how I would like to collect the responses for the survey, and they do have different types. So this one is you can email, you can get the link, and also you can share that one in the social media or the page. So just go for here. So just would like to get the link. So share the survey link. I would like to go for that one. And if you'd like to post on social media, so you can see all the options are all the free ones here. The yellow one is for the paid one. So I'll just go for the quick one. So this is your link to share, and you can see these are the options that you can also use. You can use all these tools for sharing with the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, email. Also, you can just copy the link and then you can use it. And so when you copy and you have to paste, and to see your response, once you have sent that one, it will show you the result in this tab. So at the moment we haven't done anything, that's why it says response 0 of 0, and that will show you. This is also showing that we don't have any response yet. So this is how we can create a survey using the SurveyMonkey. And I have added some sample questions and the link for where you can get some more questions to try this survey platform. Hope it will be useful for your client satisfaction or marketing purpose. So just give it a go and try, and hopefully I will be able to see you all tonight. Thank you so much.